Sirikal kaonti ma Machakos ochiwo siem ne jochiw thieth mawuok e kaonti ma Machakos mano obago ng'anyo odiochieng' ma kawuono ka gidwaro mondo medgi lemo. Jatend jotije piny owacho e kaonti no Albanus Mutisia okwayo jotije migawo mar thieth mondo bed gi horruok e kinde ma girango wachgi.
They never worked for over 50 days, and when they came back, the county government paid them full salaries for the days they never worked. The reason that we paid was caused by an agreement, the one we call return to work formula. Therefore, it was agreed as they come back to work, they should be paid. Now the county government is concerned that anybody going for what we are calling go slow or a strike thinks that he will be paid when he comes back. That will not happen. We have been in discussions with them. They had written a strike notice or some demands, and then we have met all the demands from the health department, all the demands, except the one we are now discussing. We are discussing with them promotion